This morning, more trouble for Boeing. The U.S. government announcing that the aircraft manufacturer can now be prosecuted because the DOJ says it violated an agreement that protected it from criminal charges tied to 2 fatal crashes.
The families who lost their loved ones, hundreds of them, have fought very hard for this day.
In January 2021, Boeing agreed to pay $2.5 billion to settle with the Justice Department. Prosecutors accused the company of concealing information about its 737 MAX plane. After 2 crashes, Lion Air in 2018 and Ethiopian Airlines in 2019, that killed everyone on board. The DOJ now accusing Boeing of failing to design, implement, and enforce a compliance and ethics program to prevent and detect violations of the U.S. fraud laws throughout its operations. Since the agreement, Boeing has come under increasing scrutiny. After that mid-air blowout on a Boeing MAX 9 Alaska air flight back in January, Boeing grounding its planes at the time to look into the issue, and several whistleblowers coming forward to accuse the company of overlooking issues in manufacturing, which Boeing has denied. And the families of the deadly 2018 and 2019 crashes had been putting pressure on the DOJ.
The Department of Justice to make the right decision, to make sure that nobody else has to go through what we have gone through. Nobody else has to encounter the things that we have encountered.
Boeing confirmed that it had received the notice Tuesday from the DOJ, saying in part, "We believe that we have honored the terms of that agreement and look forward to the opportunity to respond to the department on this issue." This comes amid other concerns for passengers as the summer travel season is heating up. A new report from the FAA saying the air traffic control workforce needs reinforcements. The agency saying it needs more than 3,000 additional controllers, highlighted by a number of recent close calls involving planes nearly colliding due to miscommunications. Now, ahead of Memorial Day, the FAA pledging new measures to keep the skies safe. Now, regarding safety concerns over the shortage, the FAA says it does have a breaking point, saying that it would actually reduce air traffic entirely before it would allow it to continue in any manner that could potentially compromise safety. Hoda?
All right, Morgan, let's go back to that Boeing report you talked about. What may factor into the DOJ's decision on whether or not they're going to file criminal charges?
Yeah, this is interesting. In the court filing, the DOJ says it isn't sure on its particular next steps, but it will consider Boeing's explanation as to whether or not it will pursue criminal charges. But interesting insight from the Wall Street Journal. They mentioned an April meeting between DOJ officials and families of those crash victims, during which officials were said to have shared potential criminal information that took place as a result of that probe into that Alaska Airlines incident. And that could be a pivotal piece of information into deciding how to handle Boeing going forward here. That's according to those familiar with that conversation. Hoda?
All right, Morgan Chesky for us there in L.A. Morgan, thank you.
Hey, thanks for watching. Don't miss the Today Show every weekday at 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 Pacific on our streaming channel, Today All Day. To watch, head to today.com/allday or click the link right here.